In this video we will see how to run your Lovable app in the VS Code. So guys, if you want to run your project which is currently in the Lovable, and if you want to run it into the VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. Now guys, first of all, go to your project. Now guys, here you see this is my project and this is my project name. Okay, now here you see just ahead of your PPT and your project name there is a one arrow icon. So you just click on it, okay, and go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, here you see the option of connectors. Now you simply go and click the option of connectors. Okay, now here you go and search for the GitHub. And guys, here you see there is a one GitHub API, read and manage your repo issues and pull request. So you just click on it and sync my code and add connection. So I am already synced with my account. So guys, here you see created by GitHub. This is my docs and details. Okay, now you go here, add connection, and you simply add it. Now after that you simply open your GitHub. When you completely connect your application with the GitHub, and here you see this is my application. So guys, you give some permissions like you install the GitHub and in the project, then you add some files. So these are some basics. You just click the option of give the authorized installation, all sets. After that you get your project in your repo. When you get your project in the repo, so guys, you simply go and select your project and open it. And guys, here you see updated in 39 minutes ago. Now you simply go and click the option of download zip. When you download the zip, simply open this and double click it, unzip it. Now it is unzipped. So just open your VS Code, okay, and open it. After open the VS Code, go for the option of files, and here you see the option of open recent files. Instead of open recent file, open folder. Okay, now here you go for the downloads, and this is my new project, and click the option of open. Okay, now after open it, simply minimize it and simply go for the folders of your project. Okay, go here, and this is my project. Okay, now you close all of these things and you need to open terminal in this folder. Okay, here you see the option of open new terminal. Now if you want to run this, so guys, you need to run some commands like npm and other commands. After that you can like npm. So it is becoming low. It's become long video. So now here you simply run the npm run build. First of all, you install the all the node package file. Then guys, you simply type npm run. And guys, if you're getting any error, so you use the ChatGPT and any AI models. So you just copy the error and paste on the platform, and you get the solution. So this is the way that you can run your code on your local system. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.